Before sunrise, this factory is already preparing to produce more than 1 million donuts today. Every donut begins with truckloads of carefully selected ingredients arriving around the clock. Before production begins, every worker follows strict food safety procedures. Inside this facility, every machine operates with extraordinary precision and speed. At peak production, thousands of donuts travel through the factory every minute. The process starts with flour, delivered and stored in enormous quantities. Sugar is measured automatically to ensure every batch tastes exactly the same. Gigantic mixers combine ingredients into the foundation of every donut. Within minutes, simple ingredients transform into perfectly balanced dough. Precise measurements ensure consistency across every production batch. Experienced specialists verify quality before the dough moves forward. Once approved, the dough begins its journey through the production line. The dough now rests in carefully controlled temperature and humidity. During proofing, the dough develops the light texture and customers expect. Next, powerful rollers shape the dough into uniform sheets. Advanced sensors continuously verify thickness and consistency. Each donut now begins to resemble the final product consumers recognize. The transformation has only begun, and the most dramatic stage comes next. After proofing, each donut has doubled in size and is ready for cooking. Now begins the stage that gives every donut its golden color and signature flavor.
This enormous fryer operates continuously, 24 hours a day.
High-speed vision systems inspect thousands of donuts every minute. Now the donuts approach one of the most satisfying stages of production. A continuous curtain of glaze coats every donut with perfect precision. This glossy coating creates the iconic appearance loved by millions. Cooling systems help the glaze set into a smooth, shiny finish. Thousands of donuts enter carefully controlled cooking lanes every hour. Precise temperature control ensures every donut cooks evenly. Advanced monitoring systems track every second of the cooking process. Automated turning systems guarantee consistent cooking on both sides.
The scale of production becomes visible when viewed from above.
Perfectly cooked donuts now move toward the finishing department. Before decoration begins, the donuts must cool to the ideal temperature. Quality specialists inspect appearance, texture, and consistency throughout the day. Any product that fails inspection is removed immediately. At this moment, tens of thousands of donuts are moving through the facility simultaneously. Thousands of donuts receive a smooth coating of warm chocolate every hour. The coating process must remain perfectly uniform from start to finish. Specialized systems apply toppings with incredible speed and accuracy.
Each recipe follows exact specifications to maintain consistent quality.
Every finished product is carefully inspected before packaging begins. Advanced camera systems identify imperfections invisible to the human eye. The final production stage transforms individual donuts into retail-ready packages.
Robotic packaging systems operate with extraordinary speed and precision.
Together, these systems package thousands of donuts every minute. Human inspectors perform additional checks before products leave the line. Every package is sealed to preserve freshness during transportation. Each package receives detailed tracking information for complete traceability. Automated palletizing systems prepare products for nationwide distribution. The warehouse stores enormous quantities of freshly packaged donuts. Every shipment is carefully organized to ensure timely delivery. Dozens of distribution trucks depart this facility every day. Within hours, these products will arrive at stores across the country. From a single facility, millions of customers are served every year. From raw ingredients to finished products, this is how more than 1 million donuts are made every single day.